Hello, let me show you a fantastic way to get tender, juicy pork chops every time. This method works best for thicker or bone-in chops, and you can also use it for pork belly. All you need are some pantry ingredients that you already have sitting right there. It is easy to customize and perfect for a family of 4. For this recipe, I am using 2 large pork chops. Make sure your pork chops are properly cleaned up and then bring them into a wide pan. You want to season them with some red chili flakes, ground cumin, beef bouillon powder, minced garlic, fresh ginger, granulated sugar, cornflour, dark soy sauce, juice from half lemon, and sesame oil. You want to use your clean hand to rub the seasonings into every part of the chops. Just make sure the seasoning goes into every nook and cranny of the meat. Once you're done seasoning the pork, set them aside. These are some of the ingredients you will need for this recipe. For the onion, divide into 2 and cut one part into thin strips, and then separate them into individual strands. Cut the remaining onion into chunky pieces. Also slice the sweet paprika and cut the green onions as seen in the video. Once you're done, you can set everything aside. Next, heat up a skillet over medium heat. Add the sliced onions into the oil and saute for 3 minutes until they are slightly golden and fragrant. Once you have gotten to this stage, go in with the grated ginger and minced garlic. Saute these for a minute until they are nice and fragrant. Now add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste and stir it together with the rest of the ingredients. Cook these for about 3 minutes while stirring frequently. Season the sauce with 1 teaspoon of beef bouillon powder, red chili flakes, salt, a tablespoon of dark soy sauce. Give this a stir just to make sure everything comes together. Now pour in 1 cup of water and mix again until all the tomatoes are dissolved into the sauce. Cover the sauce and simmer for 5 minutes. Let it boil and thicken up slightly. Now look at the consistency you are looking for. You can pour it over into a plate and set aside. This step is the most important step so far. Add 2 tablespoons of oil into the skillet over medium heat. Add the pork chops into the hot skillet and sear for about 3 to 4 minutes per side. Once this is nicely golden, you can flip over to the other side. Now that they are nicely golden on all sides, remove into a plate and set aside. Let's build the braising base. Reduce the heat to medium. Add the chunky onions and toss together with the drippings from the pork. Sprinkle a little salt over the onions just to taste. Continue to toss these until softened. Once onions are soft, pour in the sauce you have kept aside. Rinse the bowl with half cup of water and add to it. Return the braised pork into the broth and make sure they are perfectly immersed in the rich sauce. Cover this up and simmer for 20 minutes on low heat. After 20 minutes, flip them over and cook for another 20 minutes until the sauce thickens up such that it can coat the back of the spoon. At this point, make sure to give it a taste. Once you're happy with the taste, add the sweet paprika, more chili flakes, and then the green onions. Spoon the rich onion sauce over the top of the pork chops. Cover this up again and simmer for another 5 minutes. Now this is ready. You can rest the chops for 5 minutes just before serving. This is an ultimate comfort food with simple pantry ingredients. You can transform your chops into tender and juicy meat, breaded in rich, flavorful sauce that sticks so well on every bite. Just take a look at this. Can you see that? This is absolutely delicious. It's really comforting. Give this a try soon. You will likely find yourself coming back to this recipe again and again. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. You can also subscribe to Onyx Food Hill if you have not already to watch more interesting recipes. Until next time, have a great day and bye!